Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 148E. It is 3 boxes of 2017 Classics Hobby. Basically, what you bid on was a business card. This is an eBay break. You bid on a business card. This is the business card you will get if you paid on time, which everybody did. Thank you so much. You will get all the cards that come out of these 3 boxes with your names next to it for the teams, except for vet base. That was specified in there. I do not ship the vet base in this. Obviously, if it's numbered, it's an auto, a hit, something along that lines, it's getting shipped. If it's a short print, it'll get shipped. Pretty much, it'll get shipped if it should be shipped. If it's a vet base, I will not ship it though. Few simple rules. If a card comes out, first and foremost, I will use a checklist to determine where it goes. That should make that very easy, but just in case it doesn't, if a card comes out, the second rule is, let's say it's in a Cowboys uniform, but on the bottom it says Browns, on the back it says Browns or has the Browns logo, it would go to the Browns. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Good luck, and here we go. Let me get my gloves because if we find something cool, I want to make sure my fingerprints ain't all over. And I don't know how many are left now. I think there's 18. 18 left in Classics. 3, 4. Yeah, it looks like 18. Besides the 2 filler teams. All right, here we go. Good luck. I'm going to shrink this list now so you guys can see on the little camera. Thank you guys for the fill. And if we like this stuff, I am going to get more of it. This is supposed to have a lot of vets and a lot of rookies. So, good luck. Now, I did hopefully space out the timing correct because it's going to take a little bit. For the baseball break, which is after, empty. Baseball only has 2 unsold teams. One that I forgot to list and one that didn't sell. Can you guys see? No, it's too high. Actually, yeah, 2 teams. Maybe you had an ad, but how you doing, K-Watts? I will break that Classics when it fills, but I mean, if it fills tonight, I'll bust it. But I'm trying to get to Friday night or Saturday. I don't think we'll get it tonight, which means it will probably go Friday or Saturday, hopefully. I'm hoping we make it, Dan. It's going to be close. It's really going to be that close. I don't know if we'll get it. I hope so. Okay. Interesting. I can't touch the thing. Ah, that's why. That's what I want. All right, here we go. Good luck. We have a Jared Goff for the Rams. We have an insert of Russell Wilson. Oh, all right. Another rule. I have to put this out there just in case. If a multiplayer card comes out and somebody owns a majority of the teams, they get the card. If there's no majority owner, it will go to random. That being said, I have a Ray Lewis and a Big Ben, which I will look at the end to see who has what teams. We have a hooker rookie. Blank card. We have a Super Bowl heroes for the Packers. Jordy Nelson, insert. Clement rookie. This is going to be interesting for me to sort these till I learn them. Again, the rookies. I have a red back coming up. It is Amari Cooper for the Raiders, which is numbered out of 299. Let me just make sure again with these that I didn't miss any numbers now that I know where I'm looking at them. And nope. That's that pile. So the Cooper's out of 299. And all these are getting shipped. All right. Good luck. We have Randy Moss for all three teams: Vikings, Raiders, and the Pats. So I will check that as well. We have a Des Bryant insert. I'll ship that as well. Foster, Reuben Foster rookie. Sorry. Let me fix this. Foster rookie. Blank card. We have a Hugh McKellen for the Niners out of 299. Red back. Here we go. Another one. Kurt Warner for the Rams, the Giants, and the Cardinals. Wow. I could be doing a lot of randoms here. Taylor rookie. the Gronk, and here's our first hit. Good luck. It goes this way. It is a jersey patch. Demaryius Thomas, 18 of 299, classic materials. There's a Gronk. I'll just put that on the side. For the Broncos. Congrats to whoever got the Broncos. That is Kevin W. And no numbers or nothing on those. All right, good luck. We have Hines Ward, Antonio Brown. Insert. There we go. For the Chiefs, we have a Kareem Hunt rookie. Shit. I got it right. Hold on. I put them back. I got to check the backs. Des Bryant, insert. And I'm just making sure that's not numbered. Peyton Manning, insert. Harris, rookie. Rod Woodson out of 50 for the Steelers. 26 of 50. That's jersey number 26 of 50 for the Steelers. Let me set these down. That is a blank back. Steelers in this are Kevin W. O.J. Howard, rookie. Archie Manning? Interesting. Nada. And nada. All right. Next set of packs of box one. That means the auto's on this side. I already caught them. Sweet. I'll do the randoms at the end and a recap. And for these, I will roll the dice to determine who gets the multiplayer cards if somebody doesn't own all the teams. All right, now I know what I'm looking for. Good luck. Blank. For the Steelers, out of 299, Rocky Beller. Insert, Jordy Nelson. Cannon rookie. Insert Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. We have Steve Young for the Niners and Troy Aikman for the Cowboys. Christian McCaffrey, rookie, for the Panthers. Blank. Nada. We have a Mike Williams rookie out of 299, which means it should have a red back for the Chargers, and it does. Insert Big Ben. There you go. The hottest guy on the planet, Patrick Mahomes, rookie. Congrats to whoever got the Chiefs. This should be our auto. Give me a half second. Backwards. Nada on those. I will save the auto right there. Let me go through this pile. Donnell rookie for the Eagles. See, this is a little different. 2017, I actually know some of these rookies. Blank. How about a Tannehill for the Dolphins out of Timeless Tribute 9 of 10. Focus. That is out of 10. 9 to 10. Congrats to whoever got the Dolphins. That is Kevin W. as well. Anybody know the score of the football game? I think 7 to 7. I hear it in the background, but not sure right now. We have a random for sure. It is Urlacher and Kuechly. Bears and Panthers. We have a Rudolph rookie. Blank card. We have a yellow frame O.J. Howard rookie for the Bucks. Insert Tom Brady. A Darius Stewart rookie for the Jets. 14 to 7. Thank you, K Watts. I thought it was 7 to 7. It sounded like it in the background. Dick LeBeau for the Lions. Yellow border. Insert for the Pats. Butler. Jeremy McNichols rookie. And the last, the box one, is coming up here. We have Crowell. We have an insert of Aaron Rodgers for the Pack. And the hit is a TJ Watt rookie auto. There's a Crowell. It's nothing. TJ Watt rookie auto out of 199 for the Steelers. Nice hit. That is Kevin. All right, let me move these over here. These are the keeper pile. These are the randoms. All right, box 2. Good luck. Empty. Oh, I should have put this out there too. If somehow we pull Panini points, they'd be random off to everybody in the break. I might have said that in the beginning. I don't honestly remember, but wait, 14-0 Jets? Come on, man. Do the Browns still have RG3? They should put him in. Let him try. Or put Mayfield in. Do something. All right, empty. Since it's sitting right there, blank card. Bradshaw and Big Ben. Excuse me. We have Peyton Manning for the Broncos and Eli for the Giants. Peppers rookie for the Browns. Got to think about that a minute. Blank card. We have a number card. Kelly for the Skins out of 299. 2 of 299. Red back. Ravens insert Flacco. Sorry. James Quick rookie. We have a yellow border of Cam Newton for the Panthers. Yellow border, Eli Manning for the Giants. Derek Carr insert for the Raiders. Josh Reynolds rookie. Should be absolutely nothing here. If I got this right. Yep, nothing. Oh, got it again. Blank card. And I guess it's Mayfield coming in, huh? And we have a John Hanna. out of 50 for the Pats, which should be blank. Yes, blank back. That is Jimmy H with the Pats. 9 of 50. We have for the Rams and the Steelers, Jerome Bettis. That is not a random. I just happened to look because I glanced at the TV. Lawson rookie. That should be a hit, and here he comes. The biscuit. Sorry, I glanced at the game again. I'll stop. Mitchell Trubisky rookie. Congrats, K Watts. Now I just got to find you guys ink. Don't worry, like I said, I'm going to get more of this. It's not an expensive break. And between the vets and the rookies in this, can do quite well. Yellow border insert, Bolitnikov for the Raiders. James Harrison insert for the Steelers. Gunner rookie. Out of 299. Yes, Boomer Esiason, red back. Jared Goff means nothing. Allen rookie. How you doing, Bull Greeter? All right, let me see here. Anything on the back? Should be nothing. Nada. All right, here comes our hit. Good luck. We have for the Cowboys, Elliott and Emmett Smith. Tannehill, and their hit goes this way. It is a freshman fabric jersey patch for the Bears and K Watts. Matt Forte, 360 out of 399. Congrats, K Watts. Wow. Mayfield's doing all right. They're moving the ball. Here we go. Last of box 2. Blank card. Blank card. Foreman rookie for the Texans. That is a red back. That is actually numbered out of 299. That is for K. Watts and the Texans. Calvin Johnson insert. Myles Garrett rookie for the Browns. We have a yellow border. Marcus Allen. Broncos. Talib and Steve Smith Sr. for the Ravens. Derek Barnett rookie for the Eagles. Nada. I got this now. For the Jets, Joe Namath out of 299. Red back. Cam Chancellor for the Seahawks. Jordan Leggett rookie. That should be the hit. Blank. Bob Lilly. Yellow border for the Cowboys. Matt Ryan and Brett Favre for the, I almost said the Packers, for the Falcons. That's cool. Days rookie. Nada on the back. We have a Collie rookie, yellow border. Joe Montana insert. D.D. Westbrook rookie for the Jags. Blank card. Also for the Jags, Mark Brunell, yellow border. Insert. Julio for the Falcons. Thomas rookie. Should be nothing. Good luck. The other hit. Let me move these so I don't mix up the pile. All right. We have a Brantley rookie. We have a Tom Brady insert. Can you guys see that? A base of Randall Cobb, which means nothing, and her hit. Nice hit. Here we go. It is a Cooper Kupp rookie auto. There's the Randall Cobb for the Rams. That is out of 199. Cooper Kupp rookie auto for the Rams. Nice hit. That is Kevin W. I like this stuff. Thing was, I grabbed only these 3 boxes to try it out, but there are case hits, so I have to get a case. Oops, sorry guys. Unfortunately, unless we got lucky and it came in this box, I don't know if we're going to see it. Empty. Like I said, I'll do the randoms at the end and a recap. Is it 14-3 at half? Tomorrow night is 2017 unparalleled football on eBay. I only have one eBay break tomorrow. All right, good luck. Last box. Wow. Patrick Mahomes, yellow border. Rookie for the Chiefs. Kevin W. Nice card. We have Peterson and Richard Sherman. Cardinals and Seahawks. That'll be a random. For the Giants, rookie Ingram. For the Texans, this is a pretty nice card. Deshaun Watson, rookie, out of 50, which means it is a blank back. Congrats, K. Watts. Not on that. All right, we have Aaron Rodgers and Sue, Packers and Lions. I believe this is a Bills rookie, White. I'm about 99% sure that's the Bills. Blank back. Wow. For the Cowboys, the yellow border, Emmitt Smith. Insert, Marcus Allen. Cannon rookie. We have Peyton Manning for the Colts and the Broncos. We have an insert of Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Congrats to whoever got the Panthers. That is a McCaffrey rookie. What's up, Brian? How are you, sir? Not on this. Nada on those 3 cards. Blank. Should be a red back of Mr. Jordan Howard for the Bears. Ryan, I do. And I have 2 unsold teams. One I forgot to list and one that didn't sell. Do you want to know what it is? Because this is going to be pretty damn funny. Steve Smith for the Ravens and Panthers. I have the Blue Jays, which I forgot to list. And the team that did not sell was the Milwaukee Brewers. Patrick Mahomes rookie. Congrats to whoever got the Chiefs. And I'm not kidding, Ryan. That would be our hit. Donnell rookie for the Eagles. Sorry, I had to think a second. You know what happens when I think. We're all screwed. Blank card. This is cool. For the Chargers. Winslow. Timeless Tribute. Out of 25. 8 of 25. Yes. Correct, Ryan. Prism. Chargers are dartboard man. Grad Stan. Nice card. Okay, let me finish this little stack. Insert Bolitnikoff goes here. Randolph rookie, or Rudolph, sorry. Let me check the backs, which should be nothing. But just make sure I didn't miss anything. I did not. Let me move these. We'll do the hit and the last open box. Exactly, Dan. Tarkenton and Stafford, sorry. Vikings and Lions. Bradford and our hit. Sometimes you get this when it's Panini. This is a flashback fabric Matt Forte jersey patch, 221 to 399 for K Watts and the Bears. Well, if the Bears hit like this tomorrow night, somebody should be happy. But we don't need no more Fortes. We need somebody else. And the auto's on this side. So good luck. now I have some room. So I can put my border back. All right, really good luck. Blank card. Des Bryant, the Cowboys. Antonio Brown insert. Foreman rookie. Blank. We have a yellow border. Donnell, rookie for the Eagles. Terrell Davis insert. Evans rookie. Nothing. All right. Nothing on those two. That would be our hit. I do not know who it is. Let me move these two. Good enough. All right. We have a Scott rookie. Blank card. Williams, yellow border. We have Bo Jackson for the Raiders and Julio Jones for the Falcons. McDonald rookie, or McDowell rookie, whatever, however you say his name. Holy crap. Remember him? Gastineau? All right. Last of the box and the hits over there. Doug Baldwin, yellow border. There's nothing on these two cards. Bolden, insert, yellow. Insert Troy Aikman. Corey Davis, rookie. That's Titans. Eli, insert. McNichols, rookie. Blank. Chad Kelly, rookie, out of 299. Red back. Le'Veon Bell, insert. Ryan Switzer, rookie. That is the Cowboys in this product. Let me check the back. If somehow I find somebody undrafted, I will do a random later on as I sort. And I will put it on YouTube. I'll take everybody, random it, put it on YouTube. All right, good luck. The final hit of the break. Thank you guys again for the fill. Like I said, tomorrow is unparalleled. If, like I said, I'm going to get some more of this to try it and see what happens. So here we go. Bosa, insert. Von Miller, and the hit is a rookie auto of Jackson out of 199. There's a Von Miller. That is out of 199. I have to look him up. Unfortunately, I do not know where he goes. Does anybody know? Dan, why gets set up for the random? Can you look this guy up and see where he goes? Type a 1 if that is a yes, please. No one. So I will look. Oh, you'll look? All right, thank you. I'm being informed the Titans. So this should be Kevin W. Should be the Titans from K Watts. Congrats to the Titans. Quick recap, then I'll do the random. All right, we have the jersey patch of Thomas, the Jackson rookie auto for the Titans, the jersey patch flashback fabrics for the Bears, Forte, Winslow out of 25, a Watson out of 50, a Mahomes rookie yellow border, Cooper Cup rookie auto out of 199, another Forte, the Biscuit rookie, a Hannah out of 50, TJ Watt rookie auto, a Tannehill out of 10, Mahomes rookie, and a Woodson out of 50. And now here comes the random. Congrats to the Titans owner. Obviously, there's other. Oh, this is getting shipped. And this whole stack here is getting shipped. All the inserts, numbers, rookies, anything that was in there. Let me check these. All right. Raiders, Falcons. That's going to be a random. I will set it here. Can you see in front of Mickey? It's in front of Mickey. Vikings, Lions. Lions. It's Jimmy. Vikings. It's Kevin W. That's a random. Panthers, Ravens. Ravens. That's Matt. I'm sure this is a random. And Kevin. So it'll go like that. Colts, Broncos. Broncos. Kevin W. Colts. Kevin W. No random. Packers, Lions. I know the Lions is Jimmy H. And the Packers is Kevin W. That's a random. Wow. I didn't realize I'd have these many randoms. Peterson, Cardinals. That's Jimmy. And Sherman, which is Dan. That's a random. I will roll one dice for those. I'll explain that in a minute. Broncos and Ravens. Broncos, Kevin W. Ravens, Matt B. That's a random. Giants and Broncos. Broncos, Kevin W. Giants, Dan. That's a random. Wow. I know that's a random because K Watts has the Bears and the Texans. But this is the Panthers, which is Kevin W. And K Watts has the Bears. That's a random. All right. Steve Young and Troy Aikman. 49ers, Jimmy H. And the Cowboys, Kevin W. That's a random. Let me do the other one that's two. Ray Lewis is the Ravens, and Big Ben is the Steelers. Ravens is Matt. That's a random. And the Steelers is Kevin W. All right. Rams, Giants, Cardinals. Rams are Kevin W. Giants are Dan. And Cardinals are Jimmy. Figures. That's a random. I will put that right here. That's a three-way random. Vikings, Raiders, Pats. Vikings are Kevin W. Raiders are Dan. And the Pats are Jimmy. That's a random. I'm glad. Well, it'd be nice if it was a 1-on-1, but I must admit I hate having to do randoms where people lose, but that's part of the game. How you doing, New Yorker? New Yorker, if you have any interest, I'm looking for all the help I can get, sir, in a 2018 Classics football break. If you use the code giveaway in caps, it will give you 10% off. All right, I'm going to roll one dice. If it's a 1, 2, or 3, it goes to the left. 4, 5, or 6, it goes to the right. That's how I do the random on these cards. The same dice roll. If it's a 1 or 2, it's going to the left. 3 or 4 in the middle. 5 or 6 the right on those two cards right here. That's how I do the randoms. Good luck. Here we go. One dice roll, like I said. It is a 2. So, with it being a 2, everything to the left, and actually the farthest left on these two cards, will be the winners of these cards. So, the Vikings, the Rams, Ravens, Niners, Bears, Broncos, Cardinals, Packers, Panthers, Vikings, and Raiders. That concludes break number 148E. Thank you, guys. Let me stop the recording and we will do baseball next.